Alright, Baruch Haba, welcome everyone. Every Wednesday we try to learn a little bit from the holy Rebbe Elimelech from Lezhensk in the holy Sefer Noam Elimelech. In the fourth teaching on Parshas Korach, which is this week's Parsha, we read as follows: V'yishal Florish Ardi B'derech Acher. We could explain this in another way. V'yikach Korach, and Korah took. The East of a Medrash, it's cited in the homilies, La'ama Torahs Hashem T'mima V'shvil Shima Shivas Nafesh. In the book of Psalms it says, the law of the Lord is perfect, the Torah of God is perfect, it restores the soul. So the Midrash asks, the ancient homilies ask, why is the law of the Lord perfect? Why is the Torah of God perfect? Because it restores the soul. V'hinei Medrash Miflav Haflafela. This is a very surprising and amazing teaching in the Midrash. Venira, and it appears, Ki Mukubalim Kosvu Shekarach Haya Gilgul Cain. It appears that the mystics, the Kabbalists, write that Korah was the reincarnation of Cain. And that's why he was lost through the earth opening up its mouth. This was to atone because the earth opened up its mouth to take the blood of his brother Abel. And this is the reason why Cain needed to be reincarnated as Korah to rectify that he killed his brother Abel. The question has to be asked, why didn't Cain fix that himself when he was alive at the beginning of creation? So the answer is that God, the blessed Lord may be blessed, created the concept of reincarnation in order that his Torah should be perfected. Because this chapter of the Bible would be missing if it was not for this. And so therefore, in order to complete the Torah, it was necessary for Cain to be reincarnated as Korach to rectify the sin of killing his brother Abel and having the earth eat up his blood. Through these words of the Midrash we understand very well what is the homiletical understanding here. Lama Torahs Hashem T'mima? Why is the law of the Lord perfect? B'shvil shehima shivas nafesh, because it restores the soul. B'shvil shekadosh baruch hu bara olam al yidei gulam kanal. It's because God created the world with the concept of reincarnation, as we said above.